In the maths kit, another TLM is tangram. How to make a tangram? Let us see now. Tangram is one of the special figures used in geometry. This is from Chinese heritage. There are 7 shapes or 5 shapes. When all the pieces are joined, we get a square. From one square, 7 or 5 small pieces are cut. But every piece in this will have specific two-dimensional figure. This is like, it looks like this: 2, 3, 4, 5 triangle, 1 square and 1 rhombus. How to make this? First, we should arrange it as a square. Then take an EVA foam, draw a square on that. How do we arrange it as a square? If you practice twice or thrice, you will know. I will keep the square on the foam. How can we cut this into smaller figures? Let us see. Let us draw a circle of 10 centimeters. I'll keep it aside. First, let us draw a diagonal. Next, draw 2 triangles at the center. Then mark a point on the center of this side. Draw a line here. Similarly, this has to be a square. This has to be a triangle here. Now, at the center of this line, is 2.5. We got one more triangle, square, triangle. This is rhombus and 2 more triangles. Now we can cut it. When we cut it, we should be careful, otherwise it may damage somebody or something. Now, the tangram created by us is ready. Let us see that. This need not be made only by using EVA foam. We can use any material available, cardboard or a thick drawing sheet like this, or fold it to increase the thickness and cut it as shown. When this is given to children and we ask them to show a square or make a house or create a man, around 5,000 to 6,000 different figures can be created from this tangram. Now, in tangram, other than 7 pieces, it also has 5 pieces tangram. How do we do that? Let us see how to make it using the drawing sheet. I am using a white drawing sheet. I will show how to make a 5-piece tangram. In the same way, draw 10 by 10 square. Now let us cut it into pieces. How do we do that? First, let us draw a line to the center of the square. Next, from the center, we get a triangle. From the triangle, I will draw a square. One square, one triangle, one triangle. Where is the center of the arm? Center of the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-piece tangram is ready. One triangle, two triangles, one square, third triangle, and a rhombus. Let us cut these shapes. To make it a little thick, we can apply glue and keep another piece on it. This is how we can make 5-piece tangram. We can use the drawing sheet, cardboard, or EVA foam, any of these. Now, this 5-piece and 7-piece tangram. Let us make a square again. This is how, using this 5 and 7-piece tangram tools, we can teach circumference or area concepts. Both these concepts can be taught.